Okay, thank you so much everyone who is watching us live on Test Survivors. Please subscribe our channel if you have not yet subscribed to it. What is going on here is GWANGA MUJJE concert. Everything is done, all the preparations are done. I think you can see the stage behind me. The mega stage is done. We have heard from Bebe Cool, and Bebe Cool is really happy with what is going on here. And then also the organizer of the show, Biggie Events, we talked to her and she says let everyone come here tomorrow as early as 10 a.m. And if you bought your ticket earlier on, you can still come with your ticket here. But I want to let you know that everything is done. All the preparations here are done. I want my video photographer to show you the stage. It is a very big stage. There's only one difference, that last time the stage was that side, but this time now it has been changed to this side. The stage is already set, and right now they are on sound test. Tomorrow, come we have fun together at GWANGA MUJJE concert here with the music doctor himself, Chameleon. He'll be here with all his friends. Bebe Cool will be around. All other big artists will be around here celebrating Ugandan music. It will be tomorrow. Tomorrow is the day. Let me show you. I think I'll show them the place. Preparations are on high gear right now. Everyone is up and down trying to sort things around. Yeah, that is what is happening right here at Lugogo Cricket Oval. So the day is tomorrow. Come through, have fun. Yeah, at GWANGA MUJJE concert. The concert of the year is here. The stage, the sound is by Phenon Events. The show is organized by Biggie Events. She's I think the first lady I've seen doing events. It's really hard to do events business, but I've seen a lady doing this business. So we meet here tomorrow. Showtime.